The Blizzard Ripstop jacket and bib and brace are the ultimate lightweight waterproof layers that can be used all year round. Made from our unique 10,000mm Durastop fabric, the Blizzard Ripstop jacket and bib and brace have been designed to handle the heaviest of downpours without compromising on comfort and wearability. Both the jacket and the bib and brace feature a waterproof pocket with a dry zip to keep things like mobile phones and keys protected from the elements. The bib and brace features quick adjust shoulder straps with elasticated base, which makes for a comfortable fit and easy adjustability. The bib and brace is also equipped with reinforced knee and seat panels for extra durability on high potential high wear areas. Extra wide leg openings with Velcro adjustment and a soft touch lining make the bib and brace easy to put on and take off, even when wearing boots. The Blizzard Ripstop jacket features adjustable elasticated waist toggles to help tailor the jacket to fit your shape with ease. Adjustable Velcro storm cuffs also add to comfort and help stop water from entering from wet hands. The jacket also features an extra tall collar and a roll-away peaked hood. The hood features adjustable elasticated toggles which can be pulled tight to protect your head and face from the elements. The Blizzard Ripstop jacket and bib and brace from Avid Carp.